Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 6. The Berylmine. O merciful God, on the 24th, the following day being Saturday, I had a dream. A venerable old man appeared with a large piece of beryl in his hand, and said that a mine of this precious stone was situated in the hill named after Makhdoom Jahania Jahan Gasht. This hill is situated near Salim. Accordingly, I ordered trusted individuals to go and find out what was the actual positions as regards the beryl mine. End of Dream 6.